Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers. Welcome back. Alamin natin ang meron itong magigising. May paggising dito. So, if it happen na makita ang reading na ito, meaning may para sa inyo dito, no? I do hope na resonate sa inyo ang reading na ito. Paalala mga kapatid, ito ay collective reading, general reading, hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo na ayon dito sa mga nababanggit ko, kung hindi naman, para yun sa iba natin mga kapatid dito na nanonood. Alright? Huwag po tayong bitter if ever na yung buong video, no? Hindi kayo masaya, hindi kayo satisfied, hindi nyo feel, hindi nyo random ang reading na ito, then skip nyo na lang and proceed na lang sa ibang reading. And again, huwag po tayong bitter, love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. And maraming salamat mga kapatid sa pag-unawa ninyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos. Thank you. At maraming salamat din sa mga tumatangkilik dito ng mga subscribers. Thank you. I do hope everybody are doing well. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Tungkol saan ito magbubukas sa ating mga collective na magbubukas dito or there will be awaken, paggising. Tungkol saan itong paggising? Ano ba to? Tungkol saan itong awaken sa ating mga collective? Alright, family. Celebration. It's time to celebrate mga kapatid. This awaken. So, sa mga kapatid ko dito na parang walang pinagbago, parang solitude. Guys, soon, 4 days, maybe starting today or tomorrow or hours, it's time to celebrate. You'll be getting this success or good news, new beginning. Marriage, success. It could be success sa inyong marriage, relationship, partnership, celebration. It's time. So again guys, chini-cheer up po kayo dito. This is time for you to receive this success. May paggising, realization about love, realization about this truth. There will be truth, no? A new, good news, or there will be like something na finally ma-achieve mo ito. Good news, celebration, partnership, family. Yes. It could be related sa inyong mga anak, kung may mga anak kayo. Yeah, there will be like a good communication na darating or marireceive ninyo mga kapatid. A communication, new beginning, happiness. Guys, halos lahat, dalawa dito, major arcana. A positive awakening, paggising. There will be like a good reunion, pagsasama ng isang pamilya. There could be birthday. Baka makaka-receive ka ng, I don't know, like a new beginning. Achievement, goal, new offer. So ito yung magbubukas sa inyo, good news mga kapatid. So itong good news na ito, it will lead you to success, mga goal. So finally, no, itong feeling mo na laging pagod, walang pagbabago, yes, it's coming, darating ito. Alamin natin kung kailan ito darating, itong offer. Our Spirit Guide Angels, kailan ito darating, itong good news, itong magbubukas, itong magigising. An offer, so 2 days. Again guys, it could be days, hours, minute, within tomorrow. Yes, 9, 69, 96, within 9 days. Okay, 2, we have here 2, 3, and 7. Okay ko dito, So again guys, this could be related sa inyong edad. Baka may magbe-birthday dito. This video is taken during September. So, anytime this month, September, this is the 9th, no? You will be receiving good news. Maybe within hours. Kasi meron itong agad-agad, unexpected. Siguro sa paggising mo, you will be receiving good news, no? Mapapangiti ka, mapapatalon ka. A good news na marireceive mo. It could be related sa inyong pamilya, sa trabaho. It could be related sa partnership, relationship, or whatever achievement, no? There will be good news marireceive mo nito, and it will awaken you. Ito ay magbibigay gising. Magigising ka talaga dito sa good news na ito. It will be impossible. Magugulat ka na lang. Totoo ba ito? Sabihin natin, paggising mo sa umaga, itong text message or a news, no? Balita, magugulat ka. Totoo ba ito? Unbelievable. Talagang magigising ka. Yung feeling mo na matamlay ka, pagod na pagod ka, ayaw mo magising, gusto mo magpahinga, something like that. Magiging biglaang energetic itong mensahe na ito magigising sa iyo. Talagang gigisingin ka nitong good news na ito. Alamin pa natin ito tungkol sa good news. Ako ay na-excited sa inyo. This is gonna be like a positive excitement. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels. What is this about the good news na ma-excited ng ating mga collective? Na siya talaga magigising sa kanila. Yeah, yung antok mo, mawawala talaga, ano? Yung sabihin natin na nanonood ka ng reading na ito, maybe while watching this, inaantok ka, and then this reading will give you excited, no? Excitement. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, tungkol sa nitong good news na talagang magigising ang ating mga collective. Okay, about this Knight of Pentacles, kasi ang Knight of Pentacles about offer, a slow offer. Guys, itong offer na matatanggap ninyo, definitely matatanggap ito. It takes time, siguro matagal mo na itong hinihintay, no, mga kapatid, and it's happening. Kasi may reverse tayo dito. And another thing, Seven of Wands in reverse, conflict, inner conflict, guys. Yeah, energetically, you might be feeling energy boosting. Mentally, no? May matatanggal dito. You will be changing. This could be about your mentality. Siguro lately, no? Starting today, whenever you watch this reading, siguro nga lately, no? Matamlay kayo, puro problema, conflict, matagal ang daloy ng pera. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be changing. Babaguhin ito ng universe. Gigisingin ng universe ang iyong blessings. No? May magigising dito, a blessings in disguise through either a message, an offer, family, bata. Siguro mayroon itong good news about sa bata. Siguro sa anak ninyo, no? Mga achievement ng anak ninyo, kung mga anak kayo. And something about na hinihintay mo rin, yung iba dito. Whatever you waited, no? Hinihintay mo itong opportunity. Yes, you will be receiving the success, a good news, a result. Yeah, and yung iba naman, it could be related sa inyong sarili, ano? Inner conflict. It's gonna end. May mag-i-end dito sa inner conflict. Tatanggalin ito ng universe. There will be clarity, closure, realization sa inyo dito. So, this is the right moment for you, mga kapatid, na may pagbabago sa inyo. You will be more positive, energetically. Mas magiging positibo ka araw-araw. Itong negatibong pag-iisip, conflict sa sarili, low esteem. Yes, magkakaroon ito ng liwanag. Liliwanag din ang iyong mundo or kinakatayuan mo. Kasi meron din pagliliwanag. Maliliwanagan ka rin dito. Something about sa situation mo na may pagliliwanag dito. A clarity. May mag-i-end dito. Meron dito sa inyo magiging strong. You'll be receiving strength. Like again, pagka makatanggap ka ito ng clarity, pagliliwanag, sagot, ideas, you'll becoming more stronger, excited, energetically. Dahil alam mo na anong gagawin mo, you will be receiving this success. Ma-achieve mo ito. I don't know what you guys been planning or manifesting or hinihintay ninyo. Could be related sa finances ninyo. Inner conflict. Magigising ito. May awakening na mangyayari. Idea, success, reunite, celebration. Month of September, especially this is like almost mid-September na, no? I mean, 1 week na. And so, 3 more weeks. But again, hindi pa naman nagtatapos ang buwan ng September. There will be clarity, closure, achievement, offer. Mas magiging positive, no? Mas magiging positibo ang darating sa iyo this upcoming few days or these days. Yeah, it's time to celebrate and yes, it's time to awaken yourself. paggising. Alright, alamin pa natin itong Knight of Pentacles awaken and Seven of Wands in reverse. Bakit ito in reverse? Itong magigising sa ating mga collective. Yes, itong mga challenges. Guys, there will be a breakthrough. Like again, an ending. Kung lately or before, puro problema, pasakit, solitude, pananahimik, emotional imbalance, i-end ito ni universe. Like again, an ending of crisis. Siguro like again, this could be related sa inyong pera, finances, family related, sa sarili mo, challenges, conflict. There will be an ending. Like again, magigising ka na. There will be an awaken. So, a breakthrough. You'll be receiving this happiness, a new you. New you. Pagbago. Yeah. You will be so blessed, mga kapatid. It's time to celebrate. Magising ka na, magigising ka na. Yeah. Okay. Ano pa? Ano tong good news pang matatanggap ng ating mga collective na magigising sila talaga, no? Okay. So, poverty, like again, guys, paghihirap. Travel. Unexpected news. Within 7 days, it could be days 7, 2, 6, 9, 3. Like again, there could be related sa inyong edad. Or any numbers dito, ano? Yes, you will be walking away from this poverty. Makakaalis ka rin dito sa paghihirap. You just have to believe in yourself and be more patient and be a fighter because you have been fighting a lot. Ilang beses ka na nakikipaglaban. Ilang taon ka naghihirap. Yes. And like again, guys, siguro yung mga tao na sabihin natin kung biglaang mananalo ka ng lottery, no? I do hope that would be a good sign for you here. An opportunity, any opportunity, money, kung saan. Like again, guys, believe in sabihin natin na bilog ang mundo, ano? Hindi araw-araw or permanenteng naghihirap ka. Darating din ang panahon para sa iyo. This success, clarity, happy family, no? Pagliliwanag. Tatanggalin ng universe itong mga paghihirap mo. Chaos. Puprotektahan ka ni universe. You are protective. So, huwag mawalan ng pag-asa, kapatid, dahil itong paghihirap mo emotionally, relationship, studies, there will be a good news. There will be changes. May babaguhin sa universe dito. May mag-i-end dito sa iyong paghihirap. Crisis, money-related, good news. So, at the end of the day, you will be having this happy family, happy relationship, reunion. Kung ikaw itong pupunta ng reunion, kung na-stress ka lately, whatever you guys na-stress ka lately, ano, at the end of the day, meron itong celebration, achievement. So, yeah, like again guys, bilog ang mundo, hindi forever na may mga challenges sa buhay mo. You just have to be more patient. Like again, you deserve this clarity, happiness, new beginning, pagbabago. Every day is a blessings. So, yeah, affirm this. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, mga kapatid, ha? Every day is a blessing. I accept the blessings from the universe. This clarity. Clearing all this poverty. Tatanggalin ito ni universe, itong paghihirap mo. Emotional na, emotionally, mentally, physically na nahihirapan ka. It could be sa finances mo, no? May clarity dito, clearing. So, the time is, this will be the time for you na to achieve the goal. Kung ano itong goal mo sa buhay, ano, you have been waiting for. Again, good news. Sa gusto magbubuntis dito, this is the right time for you na to receive this good news about new beginning, new relationship. It could be partnership, partnership or a baby na magbubuntis dito. Sa iba dito, mga kapatid, na ay magbuntis, then you know what you gotta do. Mag-ingat-ingat, especially for the month of September. Baka meron sa inyo dito ay magbubuntis. Like again, kung ayaw mo magbuntis dito sa buwan ng September, mag-ingat-ingat. Sa gusto magbuntis, then this is the right month for you na magbubuntis. It's gonna be like a healthy baby. Siguro, specific, very specific, baka may mga anak ng month of September. And congratulations in advance sa inyo dito. Again, this is timeless mga kapatid ha. So, message na tayo from the universe. Okay. Our spirit angels, final message for my collective. So again guys, ang maggising, ito yung magigising sa inyo, ano, talaga magigising ka dito. Good news, whatever good news na matatanggap mo. Lalong-lalo sa pagising mo sa umaga, you will be receiving this good news. It will give you, talaga magbiglang sisigla ang araw mo sa good news na ito. Whatever it is, no? Our spirit angels, message for my collective. Wow. Nakaka-excited naman itong good news sa inyo mga kapatid. Like again, an ending of poverty, paghihirap. If ever na nakita mo ito mga kapatid, this is meant for you. Lalo-lalo na kung may mga dinadamdam ka na paghihirap, yes, i-end ito ng universe. Sabihin natin na tama na, nakikita ng universe ang iyong paghihirap, ang iyong mga sakripisyo mo sa buhay, ano? Appreciate you ng universe. Okay, ano pa? Message. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Like again, mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito. Soulmate connection, reunite, family, celebration. Siguro ang taong ito ang magbabalik. This could be related sa tao na baka may magmamakaawa sa iyo. At this will be like, again guys, bilog ang mundo. Maybe this person hurt you before, puro problema lang ang binibigay sa'yo, then somehow, biglang magpapakita, magpaparamdam, hingi ng papatawad. Like again, you might be getting like giddy, no? Kikiligin ka siguro dito sa magbabalik. Baka may magbabalik, or may maghihingi ng papatawad. And yung iba sa inyo dito, there will be like a passion with joy with your partner and your soulmate here. Okay? So, yeah, kikiligin ka dito. New beginning. Okay. Love life. They will be happy sa inyo. Happy when it comes to your love life. Alright, spirit angels. Ano pa? Message. You will be traveling. Like again, guys, good news. You will be traveling. May pabiyahe, long distance. May magta-travel sa inyo dito. A good news sa inyo. Ano pa? Spirit angels. Relocation. Yung iba. Stop overreacting. Like again guys, stop overreacting. Because again, maybe mali itong mga iniisip mo, no? So, baka may mga conflict or overthinking, overreact. So, the universe want you to know na tigilan na itong mga overthinking, mga puro negatibong bagay na lang. Yeah, you need to stop this. I think na overreact ka lang dito. Yeah, so again, tigil-tigilan ito ng overthinking, ano. Enjoy spending time with family and friends. Like again, guys, there will be like good news, reunite. You will be spending more time with your family and friends. And again, these people will awaken you. Itong mga tao sa paligid mo. Gigisingin ka talaga nila. Bibigyan ka nila ng mga adventure. Something about adventurous, ano. May mga adventure na mangyayari o magaganap sa inyong buhay. Together with your family or friends or your partner. Alright, so hanggang dito na mga kapatid, I do hope this reading will awaken you, no? Talagang bibigay paggising sa inyo. So it's time guys, lalo-lalo sa mga magta-travel dyan, this is gonna be happy travel for you. Excitement, magiging excited ka dito. Alright, so sa mga magta-travel dyan, ingat-ingat and good luck. And I love you guys at mag-ingat kayo palagi and thank you. Bye!